feminine, I think. Right? Oh, what is he doing to it? He bites it. Look, he can't even sit down.
He's giving himself a blowjob.
He really is.
Charlie, go give him some help.
That's nasty. Why would you do that?
Charlie. Uh-oh. Trying to sit on his boner. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Perfect. Yeah, there we
Look at
go.
the base of it.
Ooh, must feel
Oh, it
good.
went in.
Oh, there it goes. Wow. That is nasty stuff. Usually when you suck your dick, I think it gets hard. But here it's getting soft.
Stop!
Scuttlebutt.
Boopy!
Let's find out where he's doing. Is it going away?
It's okay.
Did it go away? Oh,
Yeah,
it's all
it's
gone. It's all gone.
Good boy.
All right.
Good boy, Boopy.
Was that fun?